Hello guys, so you are welcome to our Excel Work Hour class. Today is the day 37 of our Excel Work Hour, and in today's class we are going to be talking about how to turn a um, a vertical range of cell to horizontal. That means we want to turn what columns to rows exactly, and there's a particular function we use for that in our Excel. And what is that function called? It is called transpose function. All right. So, in case you are just joining us on this channel, you are welcome to this channel. My name is Kobe ACG, and I'm a data analyst and also a data analysis instructor. So, this class is a class we've tagged as a work hour. So, this is a class we've embarked on since August 1st, and today is the dated 7 of our what Excel work hour. We've learned couples of Excel functions on how to make use of our Excel efficiently. And today we are learning how to use a function called transpose function, whereby what we turn our range of data sets in vertical form to horizontal form. How do we go about that? Let's get started. Now we have equals to transpose. Exactly. Now, I'm going to show you something. As you know, first we do what? Try and error, exactly. So, I want to turn everything into to horizontal. So, like this, just select it and enter. Now, it's telling me speed. What does this mean? What it means is that the number of cells I'm having here, it cannot contain everything. Exactly. It cannot contain everything. And if I should click on, you can see it. So, what am I going to do now? Instead of putting it here, let me do it like this. So let me just shift my Excel here to this place. So now you say equals to transpose this from here down like this. Enter. You can see it. Then I can also say I want to use for my product also. Transpose. So like that. Hope this is. In fact, for those of you that might are thinking of okay, I've only been seeing data set in in vertical form. I want to learn how to use HLOOKUP. If you have your data set that is that's in vertical form, instead of retyping it, you can always do this also. Exactly. So it will become horizontal. Then what use a HLOOKUP. So this how to turn range of data set in vertical form to to horizontal form. Exactly. So we've turned from column wise to row wise. So I hope we've turned from O wise to column wise. So I hope you've been able to learn something new today. So we meet in our next class tomorrow by God's grace, where we are going to be learning what's another word function. So do have a nice day, everyone, and thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video so that others can also gain from it. So thanks for joining. Bye.